Last class, I hope everybody just stood out recollected about the simple representation of matrix, because we have seen the complete representation in a very new and a very thin form. Is it right? You're sure about this one? And now we want to go about the properties of matrix. Is it right? So I hope you all know about the complete representation of matrix, because matrix is a form of a row as well as of a column. Is it right? Once again, I write a simple matrix. Please have a smell look about this one. Just very clearly. And now, first one, if I take a matrix of A with the order of 2 cross 2, A with the order of 2 cross 2. Okay, listen very carefully. I may hope this one 1 1 2 2. So look at here. It's a 2 cross 2 matrix because 2 rows and 2 columns. Is it right? We are sure. And now what I will tell you means I want to make a transpose of this. And transpose means what? You just make a row to column and column to row. It is called what? Transpose. Transpose means what? Up means down, and down means up, left means right, right means left. This is called what? Simple transpose. Now I wish to get for the transpose for this matrix. Okay, listen properly very much. So A transpose of 2 cross 2 will be equal to, this is a column, column, row, row. First column you write in the form of a row. I hope everybody studied the school, no problem. Once again we do regard, once again we just simple the action. So first column 2 row, 1 2. So this one making here, and second column 2 row. So this one once again under the first column, under the column which has been changed to a row. So this one you just write once again here 1 2. So this is about the simple representation of a transpose of matrix. I hope everybody knows about that, because you don't think that I'm just telling a simple school of LKG of the matrix. No problem. You just listen, you just track yourself one more time back over here. Okay, so this is about simple transpose, because if you are going to gate means it may refer, it may just you may get more things, more and more extreme, because you may ask me, so why say you're just telling about the small ABCD things? No problem with this one. You have to be refreshed once again back with strong foundation. When you just see my all the videos, you'll be having very great. I just rub up this once again. Okay, just please write. Now I hope you could have had a good knowledge about the transpose. Okay, is it right? Now another one, we want to see about the complex conjugate of a matrix. So if I have A 2 cross 2, which is equal to, complex means what? Real number and imaginary number. What's this? So for example, 1 plus 2j. 1 plus 2j represents, it's a complex number. Complex number means it's a form of real as well as imaginary. Is it right? So which one is real means the element which does not have j is a real. That means what? Sure, it's a natural number or it may be a rational number. Okay, so this is called real number, and this one represents imaginary number. So anyway, complex number which is in the form of real plus or minus imaginary, because plus means here you may have minus also. No more problem with this one. Nobody will get here. Sure. So I just rub off this side. No problem with this one. Now we rub this one. No problem about this. So I take this one. So let me take a matrix of in the form of entries. Could be the complex. So I just rub off this, and no problem about this one. I have this one. So 3 plus j and then 0 1 1 plus 2j. Look at this. This matrix is in the form of a complex matrix, right? Because these elements, some of these elements are not sum of, at least any of the elements have been represented in the form of a complex number. Means it's called a complex matrix. So now I wish to find the transpose of this complex conjugate. How is it possible? First of all, we should have to find the complex, or in the short form of CX, complex conjugate. Complex conjugate means nothing more to worry about. There's a complex conjugate. So complex conjugate means, if for example 1 plus I means we have to do the change of sign for the imaginary number. Okay, do you understand? So 1 plus I means change of sign of imaginary number is for, because plus is in front of I, so you change the plus to minus. Now once again I just write in the board. You don't worry about this. I'm not giving any old representation. So look at here. So 1 plus I means, if I'm going for a complex conjugate, if I'm going for a complex conjugate means I have to write 1 minus j. You do understand, right? That's a very simple. Now what I do, I just write the conjugate of this matrix, and then I should take out for the transpose of this matrix. Okay, I rub off this. I have no problem with this one. I rub off this, and our complex conjugate of this one is A2 cross 2, which is equal to, change the sign before the J. Okay, so 3 plus, I'm sorry. So if this is plus means I have to go for minus J. So anyway, for our convenience, I will make it the form of 1 minus 2J. We take this example. Now we have to find the complex conjugate. So anyway, for this plus J, I change the sign of J. That means what is a plus, now it's minus. Here no problem, because 0 can be represented in the form of 0 plus 0J. Is it right? 0 can be added at anything, no problem. So anyway, if you change the minus also, 0 minus 0J will be here. So what is 0J? No problem. So that I can rub off this. Is it right? No problem. Don't worry about this one. Here, 1 means what? It can be represented in the form of 1 plus 0J. Is it right? What is 1 plus 0 into something means 0, right? So I just write 1. Here, the sign in front of the imaginary number is minus. So minus should be turned back to plus. So 1, no problem. It's a real number. And then minus should have to go to plus. And it's here for the 2J. This is called what? Complex conjugate of this. But now I'm going for the transpose of this current matrix. So now A2 cross 2, we transpose, which is equal to, we know about this one, right? That means what? Row to column, column to, anyway, this right left hand side, okay, because it's going very down, is it right? So now A2 cross 2 transpose is equal to what? Take the first column, write in a row, and that means 3 minus J, 1. Second column, write in a row under the first row. So 0, 1 plus 2J. So look at here, you should not take 3 minus J and the 1 here as a 1 here, 3 minus J, not possible. Top to bottom means left to right. Okay, you should not make top to bottom and right to left, not possible. Top to bottom means left to right. The top should be linked to left. You may ask me, sir, 3 minus J, 1 is the first column. So why can't I make in the row in the form of 1, 3 minus J? Not possible, because there's a rule. So top should be paired with left. Please do understand. Okay, don't make confusion about this one, because you may think that we know everything, but some persons may not understand about this one previously when they got a foundation. Okay, so top should be paired with left. Top of this one is 3 minus J, so it should come to the left of this new matrix. It's right, 3 minus 1, and the next column 0. Top is to the left, 0, 1 plus 2J. Okay, thank you. We'll talk about this about this friend. Thank you very much.